This is some additional practice with identifying infinitives. And what we're going to do is go through each sentence and identify the infinitive phrase. And then we will identify whether the phrase is acting like a noun, an adjective, or an adverb in the sentence. In sentence number 1, to be objective in my decision is hard. The infinitive phrase is to be objective in my decision. And in this sentence, the phrase is acting as the subject of the sentence, and so it's acting like a noun. In number 2, does Joan have enough change to make a phone call? The infinitive phrase in the sentence is to make a phone call, and it's telling us about how much change, what kind of change, what's the change for? And in this sentence, change, of course, is a noun, because it means the coin kind of change. For describing a noun, it's an adjective. Number 3, always try to proofread your paper before you turn it in. The infinitive phrase is to proofread your paper. And if we look at the structure of the sentence, the subject of this sentence is you, understood, because it's a command. So we have you try what? To proofread your paper. So it's a direct object acting like a noun in this sentence. Number 4, Ellen is able to swim 6 lengths of the pool. To swim 6 lengths of the pool is your infinitive phrase. Ellen is able. Able how? How is she able? In this case, the infinitive phrase is acting as an adverb. Number 5, the Hartlow twins came to play with my little brother. To play with my little brother is the infinitive phrase. It tells us why they came. Remember when we ask how or why? It's acting like an adverb. Number 6, to warn me. Because this is a sentence, of course it's a sentence. Can I teach grammar with fragments? I don't think so. Because this is a question, we want to try and correct the syntax to the more traditional subject-verb syntax. So we'll say, you would like to warn me if anyone comes. You would like what? To warn me. When we answer the question what, we know the infinitive is acting as a noun. In this case, it's the direct object of the sentence. Number 7, I was happy to give you a ride home. To give you a ride home is our infinitive phrase. And it's telling us about how happy I am. Why I'm happy, I guess would be a good, or how happy. Either way, it is adverbial. Number 8, to move to a larger house would be unwise for us now. To move to a larger house, what would be unwise for us? To move to a larger house. It's the subject of the sentence answering the question what. It is a noun. Number 9, Fred was frightened to be alone in the old house. To be alone in the old house is our infinitive phrase. It's telling us why Fred was frightened. It is acting as an adverb. I'm going to stop recording as soon as I figure out how. So keep practicing. You're going to do a great job. Here we go. Thanks.